Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can fix your camera glitch in Roblox mobile. So it's pretty simple. So for this, first you need to click on the Roblox icon, which is at the top left corner of your screen. Once you click on the Roblox icon, it's going to open all these things. From this, you want to click on where it says settings. Once you click on setting, you can see this option called movement mode. From movement mode, you want to switch it into classic thumb. Once you switch this movement into classic thumb, just cross the setting from the top left and your problem should be fixed. You are going to get a movement stick at the bottom left corner of your screen. You can use that for movement, and you can use your other thumb to change your camera angle like this, and your camera glitch should be fixed. If it's still not fixed, what you can do is just close your Roblox and reopen it again, and your problem should be fixed, because once you do that, your Roblox will be resetted. If it's still not fixed, you can just delete your Roblox app and re-download it again. Once you do that, your settings and everything will be resetted, which means your problem should be fixed. So I hope you understand how you guys can fix the camera glitch in Roblox mobile. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.